strategy. Now things are looking a little bit better right now, but they need to certainly keep that up and execute.
How are they? You mentioned the Surface right off the bat, and that's what most of the reporters covering Microsoft are talking about. But there's this growing sense that maybe the tablet business is falling off a little bit. I mean, just looking at the numbers and the commentary about Apple earlier, that people are starting to do a refresh because they kind of ignored their laptops and let their desktops gather dust for many years now, and it's looking like potentially that's the next story for the next year or two.
Yeah, I mean, they really need to execute on the Surface, and there was rumors for some time now that they would actually maybe discontinue it or stop it. That never made a lot of sense to me. I do believe it's important for them to have that product. It's also very important for them to convert tablets and get some Office Suite or Office 365 users on certain tablet devices. So, the mobile, now if it's a mobile compute or a smartphone, it's quite important for them, along with the cloud services side. So, we'll see how the Surface, continues. I think the 3, they did a lot. It's done quite well, but we need to see that execution continue.
Yeah. Are they sitting pretty? Are they positioned well in the cloud with the with Azure issue? I mean, I guess we could argue, Brad, that they're a little late to that game because they're concerned more with the operating system updates and trying to be relevant in mobile. So certain other players actually arrived in the cloud earlier than them. Can they remain relevant against that?
Yeah, I mean, it's a good question. I mean, Azure has done quite well, and if you look at what happened several months ago on the pricing war with AWS, which is Amazon's cloud services, along with Google, I mean, pricing is now becoming quite important. But if you look at the environments, a lot are running on Windows, and those companies, it's a lot easier for them to use Azure. You can actually have things on premise in your corporation, and then move it to the cloud quite seamlessly. So it makes it easier if you do have a Microsoft shop to have Azure. But I mean, the competition is fierce and pricing is coming down. You look at Microsoft, and they're actually growing that revenue quite strong. And if you want to actually invest in the U.S. Technology cloud play, and you wanted to invest in Amazon, which they're AWS, I mean, Amazon has had a tremendous loss, and people are very concerned on that front. So it's the right question on can they continue such strength in cloud services and Azure specifically, and that'll remain to be seen.
Brad, are they going to survive the mobile shake-up there? I mean, it's been an interesting few days here. I think they're dropping the Nokia brand, if I'm not wrong, and they're going to call the line the Microsoft Lumia. So, I mean, the brand name that they bought years ago out of Finland is going to go away. I don't understand how that's going to help business or help people's, brand recognizance. Can you enlighten me here?
I wish I had the right answer for that. I mean, that was a purchase by the previous CEO. So now Satya actually has to absorb it and make good by that acquisition. If you look at what they need to do with the mobile strategy, they've actually have the oldest OS system in the mobile food chain. So if you look at Google Android or iOS, Windows has been around for a decade plus, and they still haven't really gotten it right. Are they too late for the game, or where are they going to be? I think it's still an opportunity. I certainly think Android is going to do a lot better than Microsoft, but they can't give up, and if they give up, I think that's a big concern.